Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to the Dastagir Tech Studio. I am Dastagir and today we have an exciting topic lined up. We will be diving into the world of Angular NX libraries. If you have ever wondered how to create a powerful, reusable libraries in Angular and seamlessly integrate them into your projects, you are in the right place. Stick around as we explore the ins and outs of Angular NX libraries creation and implementation. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech insights. Let's get started. Okay, we will start. What is NX? First of all, open NX website. Yeah, this is Nx. Okay, Nx. What is Nx? First question is, what is Nx? In simple terms, Nx is a toolkit that enhances the development of large-scale web applications. It's often used with frameworks like Angular. Nx helps organize code, manage dependencies, and improve collaboration among developers. It introduces concepts like monorepos, making it easier to maintain, test, and scalable your projects effectively. Overall, NX simplifies the development process, especially when working on extensive web applications. Okay, next. Uh, Next, we will install NX globally. Click on Get Started. After that, we'll click on installation in the sidebar. Okay, and we will try to install NX globally in our system. Okay, copy this command NX add global NX latest. Okay, and open your CMD if you are using Windows. Okay, type command here npm add uh, global nx latest. Hit enter. This command will install nx in your system globally. After that, we will create a nx workspace. Uh, for that, you need to create a new folder where you want to create your workspace. Okay, I'm creating here uh, a new folder with the name of test project, demo project. Okay, hit enter. Open your CMD inside this folder because copy this command. This command will create an X workspace with, yeah, this one. This is our demo project. This is a folder. Paste your command here npx create an X workspace. This command will create workspace the with your selected framework. Hit enter. Okay, where would you like to create your workspace? Inside this folder, we will create another folder with the name of org or which you want to. You can write here uh, folder name which you want to create. Okay, click OK, and after that, which tag you want to use? Okay, I will. In our case, we will use Angular. Click on Angular, hit enter. Integrated Modular Apps standalone projects. We will select integrated monoreference. Hit enter. Application. What would be the application name? The application name would be the shared. Hit enter. What bundler would you like to use? I'm using Webpack. Okay, hit enter. And after that, default style sheet format. What would be the style sheet? We'll select SAS. Okay, server-side rendering. If you want to enable server-side rendering for SEO purpose, then you can select this yes. And enter. If you want to test unit testing, you want to install Cypress, Playwright, you can select. Okay, I will select Cypress. Hit enter. Enable distributed caching to make your CI faster. I would recommend to click yes. Installing dependencies with npm. This will take a time. After that, your project will be created. In this project, we will create just Nx workspace with Angular project. In the next video, we will create a library uh, and also we will publish this library to npm, and after publishing the library, we will install inside our project and we will use inside our projects. Okay, now our project has been created. Now we will open our project folder org. This is our project and this is our Nx workspace. Open cmd inside this folder and type code dot, open your VS Code. After that, we will check our project is working fine or not. Uh, Type Nx soft and the name of the project. What is the name of the project? Project name is shared lake. Shared lake. Hit enter. Okay. Angular Live Development Server is listening on localhost 4200 port. Open this URL in your browser. Localhost 4200. Hit enter. Our project is working fine. Move this one and check. It's working fine on mode. Project is working fine. As we wrap up these segments, exciting things are on the horizon. But before you dash off, hold tight and stay tuned for the next part. The tech journey continues, and you wouldn't want to miss what's coming up next. Stay curious, and I shall catch you in the next installment. And until then, happy coding.